5 beds, 3.5 baths for 1,378 square feet. 0.34-acre lot. Nestled in the prestigious Ridge neighborhood, this exquisite custom ranch by Mike May features over 4,300 square feet of luxurious living space. The main level boasts a spacious great room with a grand fireplace, an elegant formal, casual dining area, and a gourmet kitchen, all recently remodeled for you to enjoy. There are 3 spacious bedrooms, including a primary suite with heated floors in the ensuite bath, plus 2 more baths and a laundry room. The spacious basement is perfect for entertainment with a family room built-in entertainment center, wet bar, fridge, microwave, and dishwasher, 2 conforming bedrooms, 4th bath, exercise room, and storage. Outside this brick ranch, you'll find a newly landscaped yard with an iron fence, deck, and covered patio. Close to schools, shopping, dining, and more. Call today to schedule your private showing and experience luxury living at its finest.